Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable proxy in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that click on the chats icon down below and tap on your initials in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings, which is the second option, then scroll down and click on privacy. Here you should scroll down to the advanced section that can be found at the bottom of the page. Here you have the proxy option. As you can see, only use a proxy if you are not able to connect to Signal on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Tap on this and here click on use proxy. Then you should enter the proxy address into this second box, and then you also have the chance to share it. When you are done, click on the save button at the top, and when it is valid it will be saved automatically and turned off on. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.